Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Sorry, please have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Now, how are you today, Mr. Ali?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. Thank you. How about you, sir?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine too. Where are you from, Ali?
I'm from Nilai Negeri Sembilan. It's my hometown.
How do you get here this morning?
I'm get here by riding my motorcycle from my house because by riding motorcycle I can avoid traffic jam, which can save my time to get here, and also it will save my money for fuel costs.
I have received your application for the position as a human resources recruiter. For a start, let me introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Shoaib, and I would like to welcome you to this interview. To begin with, can you please briefly introduce yourself?
Okay, thank you, Mr. Muhammad Shoaib. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Ali bin Sharif. I am a fresh graduate from University Science Islam Malaysia USIM in the course of Bachelor of Da'wah and Islamic Management with Honors. It took me 4 years at USIM to complete my bachelor. My 6 months internship at a company in Seremban required me to manage the range of managerial, administrative, and also required to handle plenty of meetings during my time there. My practical experience has given me a lot of knowledge about this field of job.
Okay, next question. What do you know about this company?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, thank you for your question. As far as I know, this company is a well-established company where people always admire to work in this company. Furthermore, I'm eagerly wanted to share my knowledge and my experience with this company to make this company better, especially in the human resources sector. After that, my research about this company also told me that the financial of this company is improving and also increasing every year. And I can conclude that this company is a well-established company.
What attracts you to apply for this position?
Okay, what attracts me to apply for this position is because the work environment here. As you know, as a human resource recruiter needs the skills in every aspect, especially in communicating with people. I'm very sure that type of skills and abilities have grown inside me along with my experience in my life, and I can conclude that this is the best choice for my job.
Okay, what do you know about this field?
Okay, this field, human resources recruiter. This field is about hiring and retaining employees in the company which can fulfill the tactical objectives of a business. On top of that, a professional human resource recruiter can succeed in this important role by developing and implementing recruiting plans and strategies, striving to bring in the best people to fill the company needs.
Mr. Ali, I want to know what is your greatest strength?
Okay, my greatest strength. Okay, my greatest strength is I can work with any type of people in the organizations, and that's what a human resources recruiter need to have in their skills. I can perfectly suit with any types of people, and that's made me a better person since I knew how to handle problem with different people. I think this company needs a human resource recruiter that can make a relation with every level of employees in this company. And I'm very pleased if I can fill that empty space in this company.
So what is your greatest weakness?
Okay, my greatest weakness. I'm very enjoying in working with people, with a lot of people, communicating with people. But at some point, I will get tired and that feel of tired make my head feel dizzy. When I work for a long hours continuously without stop. So that will make me feel uncomfortable with my work. But that's not a problem anymore since I can handle it. I can take a rest for several minutes or maybe for an hour to restore my energy and refresh my body so my brain can go well. My brain can work very well as the start. After that, I can get to work as usual without any problem.
What do you learn in university, and how can you relate that to the position that you apply here?
Okay, during my time at university, I learned many things about how to get a job done in a group. Group work taught me that every single person in a company or in a group is so precious and need to contribute to get a work or job done. Furthermore, my background studies is all about management, so I can apply my managerial skills here, and it will get better when I join a good organization like this company.
Okay, how do you think you can contribute to this company?
Alright, sir. I positively think that I can contribute to this company 100% at every aspect. As I mentioned before, my background studies have taught me everything in managerial sectors, and I look forward to contribute to this company with all my knowledge and experience.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years' time?
5 years time, huh? Okay, with the good environment shown here, plus by the supportive employees that shown here, I can see myself as a senior employee with more experience and skills, followed by good attitudes in my professional career. Furthermore, I can see myself guiding new employees to make them feel comfortable with the work environment here, and together we can make this company a better company.
Why should we hire you?
Why you should hire me? Okay, I can see that every characteristic that needed by a human resource recruiter have inside me. I have that. As I mentioned before, my studies taught me a lot on how to work in an organization, means in a group or in a society, which is very important to this company, since this company is a well-established company. On top of that, I think I can contribute to this company with every knowledge that I have learned in university, with every experience that I have gained in my life, and also in every managerial skills that I have been taught in university.
What kind of salary are you looking for?
Okay, salary. Okay, with all respect, sir, I know my position here is just as a fresh graduate, and the range of salary that I ask is normal as a fresh graduate is between 2,000 and 2,500. Also, I strongly believe that if I could work with all passions, with all my energy and my strength, I can get raised and promotion, which is automatically it will gives me motivation to strive to excellence, to give more, to give everything to this company.
Mr. Ali, I am afraid this is all the time we have. Before we end the interview, do you have any question for me?
Okay. Yes, I have a question. Can you tell me what about the bonuses that offered here in this company?
Okay, thank you for your information. In this company, we have plenty of bonuses such as Hari Raya Aidilfitri bonus, Hari Raya Aidil Adha bonus, year bonus, and many more. So don't worry about bonuses, but focus on it at your work because we only give those bonuses for the hardworking employees who deserve this prize. That's all. Thank you, Mr. Ali.
Thank you, Mr. Shuaib.